Introducing the JoyJolt JoyFul 24-piece glass food storage containers, your ultimate solution for a healthier, more organized kitchen. With 12 airtight containers and 12 secure lids, this set features a versatile range of shapes and sizes, perfect for meal prep, pantry storage and leftovers. Crafted from borosilicate glass, the same material used in space shuttles, these containers are built for extreme durability. They're oven-safe up to 1040 degaf, freezer-safe to 104 degaf, and microwave-safe excluding lids. Plus, they're dishwasher-safe for hassle-free cleaning. The airtight silicone seals and secure hinge clips lock in freshness, making them odor-free, leak-proof and spill-proof. Ideal for soups, salads and snacks on the go. This set includes 4 rectangle containers in 35 OZ, 21 Oz and 2 12 Alozes sizes. 4 square containers in 27 Oz, 17.5 Oz and 2 11 Alozes sizes. 4 round containers in 32 Oz, 21 Oz and 2 13.5 Oz sizes. All containers are stackable to save space in your pantry or fridge, and they arrive securely gift boxed with a 12-month warranty for complete peace of mind. Now available at a 43% discount for just $39.95. Over 30,000 happy customers purchased this set last month alone.